In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Binance Passkey. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Binance app. So from here, just tap on the Binance icon in the upper left corner of the screen. And from here, just tap here on the arrow right. So from here, select security. Now select passkeys. So as you can see, I have a passkey right here, but there is no way to reset this passkey. So what you can do is to simply remove or delete this passkey and just simply add another one. So just tap on passkeys right here. So first, you need to verify that it's you. So now I have successfully deleted my passkey. So to reset your Binance passkey, you want to delete and simply add a new one. Tap on continue and just simply add a new passkey. So in my case, this device, I'll just use this device. So again, use your PIN, and that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.